Hi, welcome back Next Tech Spark.
Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create transparent text in CapCut. This effect is great for adding a stylish and professional touch to your videos. Whether you want to create a see-through text effect, stylish, overlays, or unique titles, CapCut makes it super easy to achieve. I'll walk you through each step, from adding text to adjusting transparency and making sure your design stands out. So, let's jump right in and start creating.